Hello everyone, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
All right. Fahad,
Sir, I checked the assignments. They're not there in the app.
sorry Arnav, I could not hear you. Can
I
you
checked
repeat?
the assignments, but I didn't receive them.
You did not receive any assignments. All right.
Yes, sir.
Actually, there is some glitch in our website. All right. Don't worry, we are working on that. All right, Arnav.
Okay.
Yeah, you will need that in 1 or 2 days maximum. All right. Did you type this question? I think I gave you this question in the last class for homework. Did you solve this or not? Arnav, I'm not able to hear you.
Sir, am I audible now?
Yes, now you're audible.
No, sir, I didn't do that. Actually, I have exams right now.
All right. You can solve this now. All right. And Fahad, everything good?
Yes, sir.
Your voice is also coming very low. All right, Fahad, do you know how to solve this type of questions?
No, sir.
No. So you missed 2-3 classes. Please contact the team, Fahad, all right, and ask them for the lectures. All right. They will get you notes and the lecture. All right.
Sir, can you repeat? Can you repeat, please?
Yeah. Please talk to the team, all right, Learnivio team, and ask for the previous lectures. All right. If you watch just one lecture of our last class, you'll get to know how to solve this type of question. Right, Fahad?
Okay, sir.
You just have to watch 1 hour class. And enough. Are you solving this?
Yes, I'm something.
All right. And Fahad, please write down this question. I'll explain how to solve in a few minutes.
I've written.
All right. Adnan, have you solved this?
Just 1 second, sir. Last step.
All right.
So 155 for both sets, both products.
155.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's see how we can solve this. They've given you 745 like product A. Fahad, there is a formula. Arnav, can you tell me which formula to use in this question?
Where A intersection B is equal to set A, n set A.
N set, right?
Yes, sir.
Here also N
Yes.
set this.
Plus n set B minus n A union B.
All right. So if we rewrite this, the formula to remember is n of A union B is equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. All right. Further, what is this? A union B means there are two sets. We are taking union. Do you know what a union is?
Yes.
All right. So n means number of elements in A union B is always equals to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. This is the formula we need to use here. So what are they saying? 745 consumers like product A. All right. So number of elements in A is 745 plus number of elements that like product B is 430 minus this is n A intersection B and this is n of A union B. So how much is this? 1175, I guess, right? This is 1175 minus n of. Arnav, I think you made a calculation error there.
It's 410, right?
Right, that is again my bad handwriting. See, there is some curl there, so this is 430. All right, no,
It's 410.
that yeah, then it's okay. All right. So here being what is the least number that must have like both products. So you have to calculate the minimum number of this. So if this is minimum, that means this is maximum. The maximum number of this can be enough.
Yes, sir.
What is the maximum number A union B can be here?
So it'll be 1000 because the
One.
total is 1000.
Absolutely right. So this will be 1000. That means n of A intersection B will be 1175 minus 1000 is equals to 175. All right. Fahad, I can understand that you may not understand this completely, but if you watch the previous lectures, you will be absolutely fine. All right. And even if you don't, if you have any doubts after watching the lectures, you can ask me in the next class. All right, Fahad.
Okay.
And please watch the lectures today only if you have time, because I think tomorrow is your exam. There is a test tomorrow for half an hour. All right, both of you. Let's try another question. Write down this question. This is very important question. In a survey of 25 students, it was found that 15 had taken mathematics, 12 had taken chemistry, 5 had taken 12 had taken physics. And make this 11. 11 has taken chemistry. Five had taken mathematics and chemistry. 9 had taken mathematics and physics. 4 had taken physics and chemistry. 3 had taken all three. Find number of students that had taken only chemistry, only mathematics, only physics, physics and chemistry, but not mathematics, mathematics and physics, but not chemistry. Only one of the subjects. At least one of the three subjects. None of the subjects. All right, write the question down. Don't try to solve this now. I'll explain how to solve. Just write it down. Done. Arnav, Fahad, done writing the question?
Done, sir.
All right. So now we can see that we cannot use the formula, right? Here we have three sets: physics, chemistry, and mathematics. So to solve this type of question using Venn diagram. All right, because the other method is very lengthy, we don't use that in solving these type of questions. All right, let set mathematics be M, all right, physics be P, and chemistry be C. We have to draw three circles. All right, this is clear enough.
Yes, sir.
All right, and Fahad, you know what a Venn diagram is?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we have drawn three circles, each representing three sets. Now the first step is to always denote all the parts with different names. Let's call this A, this is B, this is C, D, E, F, and G. All right, always name each part individually. This is the first step. All right, everyone okay with this?
Yes, sir.
Now, Arnav, can you read me the question? Arnav, can you read me the question? Arnav is disconnected. Let's wait for 2 minutes. Fahad, why did you join this late? I think I took the class the week before, right?
Yes.
Why didn't you join the last class? Last week, I mean.
Last week. No, I got the schedule and all that just this week. So on Monday, maybe.
All right, no worries. Right, if you have any doubts even after watching the lectures, please ask the team. All right, because this is very important chapter.
Oh,
All right, Arnav is also back. Arnav is disconnected. Fahad, can you read me the question?
Yes, sir. So 15 students have opted for maths.
Maths, right? So let's take a break here. All right, Arnav is back. Arnav, audible now? Having internet issues?
Sir, I can't hear you.
Arnav, I think my internet is working fine. Can you check your internet connection? All right, Fahad, let's continue. 15 students have taken mathematics. All right, this was the first time. So,
Yes.
which set represents mathematics?
A, yes, A and
Right.
B, E, all that.
Absolutely. A, B, D, E. Right. This circle is mathematics. This circle is represented by A, B, D, E. So we can write A plus B plus D plus E is equals to 15. Right.
Yes. Yes.
Now, what is the next line in the question?
11 have opted for chemistry.
Chemistry. So can you tell me what should I write here?
G plus D plus E plus F equals to 11.
Absolutely right. Now next line.
12 for physics.
So
So
what should I write?
C plus B plus E plus F equals to 12.
All right. Now, what are they saying?
5 for maths and chemistry.
So what should I write?
D equals to 5.
D equals to 5. Are you sure?
Maths and chemistry.
So which is a common part in maths and chemistry?
D.
Only D, or should I include E also?
Oh, yes, yes, D and
Right. So D plus E is equals to
5.
5. What is the next part?
9 for maths and physics. So
So tell me what should I write?
maths and physics, B and E. B plus E
Is equals to
equals
what?
to
9.
9.
9. All right.
And 4 for physics and chemistry. So E plus F equals to 4.
Right.
And 3 for physics, chemistry, and maths. So E equals to 3.
All right. This is all the data they have given us, right?
Yes.
Now they are asking for different questions. So if we can figure out all the variables here, A, B, C, D, E, F, then we can answer all the questions.
Yes.
So please try to solve this equation. All right, I'll give you a few minutes.
Yes, sir, done.
All right. So let's see. Match your answers. We can write f is equals to 1 from here, right?
Yes.
And if f is 1 and e is 3, that means b is 6 and d is 2. So we have b, e, and f. So we can find c. C will be equals to 1 plus 3, 4,
2.
6, 12. C, how am I getting different answer? 4, 6, 6, 12. Did I write everything in? Right, 2. This is 2. And what is G here?
G is 5.
5. And A?
A is 4.
A is 4.
Yes.
B plus E plus T. So what is B here? Is B. B is 6 to 8, 3, 11. So A is 4. All right.
Sir, can you hear
But
me now?
numbers. Yes, sir. Now I can hear you. Internet is fine now.
Yes, sir.
All right. So let me explain again what we did here. All right. Till now you heard, right? This Venn diagram is clear enough.
Yes, sir.
All right. So Arnav, please read the first line of question. What they are saying. Arnav, can you read the first line of the question? Arnav, you are not audible again. Already disconnected again. Let's see. So we have got all the variables, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Now, Fahad, what is the first part of the question?
Sir, I did not write that.
Why not?
I just wrote how many for each subject.
No, you have to write the whole question, right? How would you solve if you don't have the question? Only chemistry. They are asking only chemistry. All right. Then only mathematics, then only physics. And write it down first. All right. Write down the whole question. Are you writing this down?
Yes, sir.
Because when you are revising, you will need the whole question, right?
Yes, sir, written.
All right. So first part is they are asking only chemistry. So which part represents only chemistry? Sorry,
G.
G. So what is the value of G here?
G is 2.
G is 5. Here you have got G is 5. Only chemistry is 5. All right. You have to write the whole answer that the number of students who took only chemistry is 5. All right, Fahad? You have to write down like that.
Yes.
The next part, only mathematics. So what will be the answer?
A 4.
A 4. All right. Third part, only physics.
C 2.
C is 2. All right. What was the fourth part?
Physics and chemistry, not maths.
So what will be the answer?
F. So F is 1.
1. Fifth part,
Maths and physics, not chemistry. Maths and physics. So B. B is 6.
6. Next one.
Only one of the subjects.
What does that mean?
A plus C plus D.
A plus
C plus D.
absolute right. So this will be
4, 9, A, C, 11.
right. Notice the next part.
At least one of the 3 subjects.
So what will be the answer here?
At least. So the total 15 plus 11 plus 12.
No. Will you do 15 plus 11 plus 12 or union means see at least means if they have taken
25.
25. How do you know 25?
It's written 25 students. Out
But
in a
we
subject.
don't know. But we don't know if everyone has taken any subject or not, right?
Oh,
See, what does at least mean? At least means if they haven't taken one subject, that is all right. If taken two, that is good. If taken three, that is good, right? So we have to count all the students who have taken at least one subject. Means if they have taken any subject, then we'll count them, right?
yes.
So any subject means if they are in set M, then it is okay. If they are in set C, that is okay. If in P, that is okay. That means you have to count all of this area, right? So all of this area means we have to add A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G. All right.
Yes.
This is clear, right?
Yes.
So we are trying to find number of elements in M union P union C. All right. So this is A plus B plus, right? What is the answer?
23.
23. Now last part.
None of the subjects. So 2.
2. How do you know that?
Because it's given 25 number of students who were served.
All right. 25 we have total students and 23 are who have taken at least one subject. That means none of the students who have taken none of the subjects is 2. 25 minus 23, right?
Yes.
All right. I hope this is absolutely clear how to solve.
Yes, sir.
So please note it down if you want.
I have.
All right. So let's try another question based on this. In a survey of 60 people, it was found that 25 people read newspaper H, 26 read T, 26 read I, 9 read both H and I, 11 read both H and T, 8 read both T and I, 3 read all 3. Find the number of people who read at least one of the newspapers. All right, we have the exactly similar question I hope you can solve this, Fahad.
Yes, number of people
Alright.
who did please one.
All right, I'll give you a few minutes. Solve this. Tell me when you are done.
So it's 52.
Absolutely right. This is 52. All right. So this, let's try another question on this. You're getting the hint, right? How to solve.
Yes, sir.
All right. So please focus on this because tomorrow in the exam, there might be few questions based on this. All right.
Okay.
And let's solve one more question on this. Then we'll move on. In a class of 50 students, 30 students like Hindi, 25 like science, and 16 like both. Find the number of students who like either Hindi or science. All right. And this is first part, and second part is neither Hindi nor science. The question is clear, Fahad?
Yes, sir.
All right. Arnav is not here. Arnav, this is also important for him to understand for tomorrow's exam.
It's 39 and 11.
All right. So how you can solve this? Either Hindi or science means union. So n of H union S will be n of H plus n of S minus n of H intersection S. So this is 30 plus 25 minus 16. So this is 14 plus this 39. 39, right?
Yes, sir. 39 and 11.
Right, because we have to minus that out of 50. So neither means how to represent that. Fahad, how to represent this line in mathematical form? Neither Hindi nor science.
I don't know.
Right. There is a thing called complement. Do you know what that is?
No.
Right. If I have a set A, right, do you know what a universal set is?
No.
The collection of all the elements in a given context. In a given context means, suppose in this question we have total 50 students. That means all the 50 students are the universal set, right? Who like Hindi, do not like Hindi, science, anything. If you include everything in this context, then that is the universal set. All right. What is complement of a set? If I say H is the students who like Hindi, then H complement, we write this H dash or H bar. This is all the students who don't like Hindi. All right.
Okay.
So if you add them, H plus H dash, we get universal set. Don't add like this union. H union H dash will be universal set, right? Because who like them, who don't like them, that will make all the collection of all the students, right?
Yes.
So always if you take complement of a set and that set itself take union, you will get universal set. U is the universal set. All right. So in this question, H union S means who either like Hindi or science. So who neither like Hindi or science will be complement of this set,
Yes, sir.
right? Complement of this set, and this we can write universal set minus n of H this, right?
Okay.
So this is 50 minus this is 39. That is why we subtract. If I ask you why did you subtract, then you cannot explain mathematically, but this is the way to write in mathematics. All right,
Okay. Actually, I
this is
used
clear.
that diagram. So
You use Venn diagram, that is also okay, but in this method you can solve this. All right,
no.
see, in when given 3 sets, it is easier to use Venn diagrams, but in 2 sets it is easier to use formula. But
Okay.
whatever you prefer is okay. There is no hard and fast rule. I hope this is clear.
Yes.
Please write this complement of a set, very important.
Yes.
Yeah, all right. There is some properties of complement also you should know. First, I already told you properties of A union A complement is always U. U is a universal set. Can you think and tell me what is A intersection A complement? What will be the answer here? Take your time.
I don't know what this intersection is.
All right, so we have a few minutes. Let me tell you what intersection is. This is very easy. If we have two sets, A and B, all right, suppose A is 1, 2 till 10, and B is 5 till 15. All right, 5, 6, so on. If I take union, A union B, union means take all the elements of A and B, put them in a single bracket, in a single box. All right, all the elements of A, all the elements of B, but don't rewrite common elements twice. All right, you don't have to repeat 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 double times. All right, just write it once. So what will be the answer here? 1, 2, 3 till 15. Is it clear?
Yes.
So this is called union. Put all the elements in a single bag. What is intersection? Write down all the common elements between A and B. Intersection means taking common elements. So what will be common here in A and B?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Absolutely right. So this is intersection, writing all the common elements. All right.
Okay.
So now can you tell me what will be the answer here?
A.
Q. This is intersection. C.
Yeah.
What is A complement?
The complement of it.
The complement of it, that also I also know. But if right, see, if A is suppose 1 to 10, all right, and universal set is 1 to 100, then what will be A complement?
11 to 100.
11 to 100. So what will be the common elements between A complement and A?
11. No. Common between A.
And A complement, right? We are talking about A intersection A complement. That means common between A and A complement.
Nothing.
Sorry,
Nothing.
nothing. Absolutely right. So there is nothing common between A and A complement, because A complement means the opposite of A, right? Whatever is not there in A must be in A complement. That is the definition of A complement, right?
Yes.
So nothing means phi. Phi is null set. All right, or
Okay.
zero set. If there is no element in a set, that is called phi, null set. All right.
Okay.
So these things you have to watch the lectures. Otherwise, in the next class we are starting relations, and that is also going to like go above your head if you don't understand this. All right. So talk to the team today only. Get all the lectures and watch. All right.
Okay. Sir, can I come
Not
one
many
minute?
lectures. Sure.
Yes.
All right. Path, please write this down. One line last line, A union B complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement. And if you take A intersection B complement, that is equals to A intersection union B complement. This is the last property. Sorry?
Can you give an example for this?
I'll give you an example. Just write it down.
Okay. Yes, sir. Written.
All right. These two things, two properties are called De Morgan's law. All right. If somebody asks you what is De Morgan's law, this is De Morgan's law. Now look at this example only. A union B is 1 to 15. So A union B complement will be, if U is 1 to 100. What will be A union B complement?
A union B complement 0.
Not 0. A union B is, we have 1 to 15. Universal set is 1 to 100.
Oh. So 15 to 100. 16 to
Right.
100.
So 16 to 100. Right. Now I am saying if this is equals to A complement intersection B complement. So we must try to find A complement first. So what is A complement? We look at that 11 to 100.
Yes.
And what is B complement?
B complement is B. B, where is B? B 5 to 15. So B complement is 1 to 5.
1 to
1 to 4.
that is all.
And then 16 to 100.
So now if you are calculating this A complement intersection B complement. So what will be the answer here? A complement intersection B complement is intersection means we have to take the common parts.
So 0.
Not 0. See, A complement is from 11 to 100. B complement is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 16 to 100.
16 to 100.
Right. 16 to 100. Now look at this. This was also A union B complement was 16 to 100. A complement intersection B complement is also 16 to 100. These two sets are equal, right?
Yes.
So this is, I think, a better example to understand this, right?
Okay.
And you can check the same for this one, this thing, and you will get the same answer. All right, Fahad?
Okay.
So these are De Morgan's law. All right, if you ever see anything related to De Morgan's law, understand this only. A union B complement is inversed. That means A complement intersection B complement, and the same for intersection. All right.
Okay.
This is clear.
Yes.
All right. This chapter is completed. So please watch the lectures again. I'm telling you, please get the lectures, watch it. Otherwise, the chapter will be missed. All right.
Yes.
And this is very important for the next chapter also. So please get the lectures today only. You have to only watch 1 hour or 2 hours maximum. All right.
Okay.
Because we didn't take many hours to complete this. So please watch it. Get the idea what the chapter includes, and we'll start with the next chapter tomorrow. All right.
Okay.
And tomorrow is a test also, so prepare for that also. All right.
Okay.
All right then, Fahad, take care.
Thank you.
All right.